In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download offline maps on Waze in 2025. While Waze is a fantastic tool for navigation, due to its real-time traffic updates and community-driven alerts, one limitation it currently has is the inability to pre-download entire regions or cities for offline use. However, there's a clever workaround that allows you to continue using Waze even when you lose your signal. Let's dive into how this works. First, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. The connection is crucial for setting up your route. Once you're connected, go ahead and open the Waze app on your device. The next step is to search for your destination as you normally would. Enter the address or place name in the search bar and tap on it to set it as your destination. After you've made your selection, tap on the Go button to initiate navigation. During this step, it's important to allow some time for the entire route to load completely. This includes not just the map, but all associated directions and route details. You'll know the route is fully loaded when the map and directions appear to be fully visible and detailed on your device. This caching process is the key to the workaround. By ensuring your route is fully loaded while you're still connected to the internet, Waze stores this information temporarily. This means that if you happen to lose signal during your drive, Waze is equipped to continue navigating with the cached data. While you won't receive updated traffic information or new alerts until you regain signal, you'll still be able to follow the original directions. Now, a few tips to maximize this workaround. Before embarking on a long journey, it's a good idea to check that your starting point is also fully loaded in the app just to be safe. Additionally, it might be helpful to zoom in and out of the map to ensure no sections are missing. Also, keep in mind that this approach works best when your phone's battery is charged, as navigation tends to consume a considerable amount of power. Having a charger on hand can be a lifesaver during extended trips. That's it. You've essentially learned how to make the most of offline maps in Waze through this clever caching technique. Hopefully, this method will help ease your navigation experience when you're out on the road and cellular service is spotty or non-existent. Thank you for tuning in, and drive safely.